Hello, good afternoon students. Today we are going to learn about Visual Basic of chapter 4 class 8 computer. Okay, so just get ready. Class, you know already we are learning some language to communicate with others like English and Hindi. And to learn the language, first of all, we are learning the basic concept of language. Like in case of English, we are learning alphabets, then vowels, consonant, and how to frame the simple words. Then we learn the grammar. Then we can learn writing skills and the speaking skills. Then we can command over the that language of English or Hindi. In the same way, we are going to learn about programming language. Okay, programming language are the language which is written by that human beings to write some program to communicate with computer. Okay, so there are many different types of programming language. Here we are going to discuss about Visual Basic. Okay, so Visual Basic is a high level programming language. It offers GUI based controls to develop project and application, and GUI stands for graphical user interface. It means some controls will be given like command button, text box, message box, etc. in the form of graph or in the form of icons. So these are known as graphical user interface. We will learn this language. Before we learn this language, we should know basic data type. Okay, so we'll start discussions with the data type. So data type offered by Visual Basic. Any information is represented by different units of data, and this different data unit is known as data type. For example, students informations. If I talk about students informations, we can talk about his roll number, his name, his date of birth, either his day scholar or hosteler, and what are their marks. So these are the basic data type or basic informations of students information. So roll number is one data type, name is other data having the data unit, date of birth is other data unit, hosteler or day scholar are other data unit, and marks is other data unit, which convey some different informations of a student. So roll number 1 Sam, date of birth is 10 February 2015, hosteler yes, marks 90. And so for the other students, roll number 2 Sony, date of birth is 15 March 2014, and hosteler no, marks 80. Roll number 3 Mono, date of birth 20 April 2012, hosteler yes, marks 85. And so for the other student, roll number 4 name is Moni, date of birth is 5 May 2015, hosteler no, marks 88. So by looking into this table, we can observe there are different unit of information for students. Like roll number is of integer data type, it is going to hold the value like numbers. Roll number 1 is a number, roll number 2 is the number, roll number 3 is the number, roll number 4 is the number. So roll number is of integer data type. And next is name is of string data type. String means group of characters, group of alphabets. So Sam, Sony, Monu, and Moni. So these are the group of different names, and these names are known as of string data type. And for date of birth is of date data type. It is going to hold that date in different format. And either hosteler or day scholar, it is going to hold either yes or no, means it is a boolean data type. If data type is going to hold or any particular information is going to hold either the value of true or false, it is known as boolean data type. Okay students, so next to the marks is again of integer data type. So these are all about Visual Basic introductions. So here in this session we have learned about what is Visual Basic, are what are the data types and how data types can be used to make information of students or for other entity or other object. So if you have any doubt, it is all about Visual Basic introductions. If you have any doubt regarding this any topic, you can text me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.